guys, welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about a really cool new product introduced by Tempur-Pedic. They introduced the new Ergo Extend, but they added a new feature. Instead of when you buy a King mattress, instead of buying two Twin XL adjustable bases, they've introduced a new adjustable base for the King sleepers, not the traditional two Twin XLs, with a horizontal that has two adjustable bases that go like this. It saves you $800 because there's one motor in the middle instead of having two. Today we're going to show you how to unbox and install that bad boy. Alright guys, so here's the two boxes. We're going to unbox them for you, show them how to install. First, and since it's kind of a big deal, I need my mattress prince and princess. So let's have them up here. Whoa! Alright guys, let's do this. We're going to speed this up for you. Alright, got a pro tip for you guys. They come in these straps right here. If you don't have a razor blade in the home, find this little guy right here, find the tab. You actually just pull it apart. Bada bing. Alright, first thing we're going to install are the legs. This bad boy has 6 legs, so I'm going to have my prince and princess help me out here. Alright, so after we unbox all those boxes, they have some pretty important parts. We have the power cord, and we have the battery, and we also have a remote. We're also going to show you how to install, because this is the horizontal feature. We actually have to bolt the head and the foot together, and we'll show you how to do that in a second. First thing is you're going to install the power cord. So you go to the control board. There's actually a little zip tie here that has the actual power cord on the piston or the cylinder that puts your head and foot up. You have to take that off. And you'll find the end that has the 2 little wires poking out. You'll find your power cord, and you plug them in here. Then you'll find the actual plug portion of the power cord, and you plug it into the other side. And of course this end goes into your outlet.
Hey Mattress King, what is this little thing with the batteries over here for that you can plug batteries into?
That's for backup power, so if the power goes out, you put a couple 9 volts in there, and if the power goes out and you have it up in the air, that gives you enough power to put it to the flat setting so you're not stuck in the middle of the night. Good question, Mattress Prince. Another thing you want to do is take this bad boy off. Once we flip it over, this actually it goes on the foot of the bed and keeps your bed from sliding off. We'll talk about that later. Alright, we want to grab these nuts and bolts. We want to line these up. We're actually going to align, there's a little hole right here and here. This actually goes through and puts the frame together. We'll speed this part up. Full disclosure, first time I've ever installed this, don't do the center legs. They actually go join your bed together, and then you install the leg. Last step before we flip it over, these cords are zip tied here to this cylinder. You take the zip tie off, you're actually going to connect them to your control panel right here. This has them sync together and also converts the power over. So unzip it, drag it over here, plug them in really quick. The cords are actually numbered with a little tag. The little tag here that says number 1. When you look at the control board, it is numbered 1 through 4. So 1 goes into 1, 2 and 3 are already plugged in, and 4 goes into 4. All right, now we're ready to flip it over. Alright, last couple steps, we're going to install the retainer bar. This goes at the foot of the bed. You know it's the foot of the bed when you see the Tempur-Pedic label. One end goes in the hole right here. You're going to have to pull it just a little bit and then slide it into that hole. Bada bing. Oh, you should probably plug power in first. Plug it into power. Install your batteries. Make sure it works. Got a little motion going on over there. Lastly, I need my scepter. I need a mattress and my mattress prince. All right, Pete, here's the remote. Don't fall asleep. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.